What's up, guys? It's Ryan D at ZZP.
And I'm Al.
And a guest appearance on Behind the Builds, get Tyler V at ZZP.
Today, guys, we're talking about stage kits. So today, we're going to talk about kind of a simple one, kind of a fun one too, stage kits. All three of us here have had the joy of talking about stage kits, and we even have our own stage kits here at ZZPerformance.
Stage 3.
Stage 2.
Stage 3A.
Stage 12.
Stage 8.
Stage 28.
We're just going to talk about why it's good to have them and kind of their whole purpose.
Stage kits, while they are a widely used, name within the car community, can accomplish some different things. What we set out at ZZP to do is put together a collection of parts that will get you further in your modding goal while not having to do the legwork. You know, not everyone works in the car industry or really knows much about modding cars. Mm-hmm. So we put together these packages, stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, we have a few, and they get you the parts you need. Mm-hmm. They all work together in conjunction, and they get you a little bit farther than where you started at.
We look at it from the standpoint of what's the most likely combination of mods that a customer is going to buy for their first step. Mm-hmm. When we can get those put into one product altogether, it's a lot easier for the customer to know that they're going to have all the things that they need in order to get that kit installed. Most, if not all, of the stage kits come with tuning.
Yep.
So you know that the new mods that you just bought are going to have a tune to go with them so that you can get the car to run right.
Yep.
And then just the numbers going up is literally just we go to the next level. Okay, what's the most likely things that someone's going to buy next?
Like our stage 1 for ATS. It's an intake or downpipe and a PCM tune. Something every ATS guy is going to get for their car. Yep. Our stage 2 kit for our 3800. Intake, downpipe, smaller pulley, plugs, the whole modular pulley system itself, PCM tune. You get that? Almost every guy's gonna do that, and it's a good base to build off of for later parts down the road.
That was a good comparison because it's not just ZZP Stage 1 kit is these parts. It changes for each platform.
Absolutely.
We specifically look at that platform and like, this is what step 1 is.
Our Sonic and Cruze Stage 2 kit is far different than our ATS and LTG stage kits. So that's why we give you a parts breakdown of them too. Like our ATS kit builds upon itself. It's actually the first one we've ever done like that. In the past, they've always been different than each other. So that you just get a stage 2 and a stage 3. For instance, our LSJ stage 2 and 3, the stage 2 and 3, the main difference is a heat exchanger.
Yep.
Mm-hmm. But then that one heat exchanger allows you to do more.
Yeah, we all know that LSJs, you need cooling mods. It's a very detrimental thing if you don't have them. Mm-hmm. So stage 2 is set up in a way where you get your basics. You got your pulley, your belt, plugs, tune. Stage 3 goes a little bit past that. And where it differs, other than the stage 3 heat exchanger, is we allow you to get a smaller pulley with the stage 3 kit.
Mm-hmm. Customers will come to us sometimes and they will say, hey, I have a stage 5 clutch. Or, hey, I have a stage 4 kit. Okay. So, something that a lot of people don't understand, guys, is that depending on where you get your stage kit from, it's all relative to that. So, a stage 5 kit for
a WRX
is going to be way different than our stage 3 kit for your car. It's all relative to the platform in the car. Back in the day, we had a competitor, no longer really around. They had a stage 6 kit that was less than our stage 3 kit.
Yep.
So, but people saw the higher numbers, so they thought it was 5. And when you go to the car meet, it's like you go to the next level. You got a stage 5. Like, oh man, you got that stage 5 on your car. That's crazy. Yeah, no, this stage 5 was less than our stage 3 kits. And our stage 3 kit would smash this other company's stage 5 kit.
Just because someone else has a higher number than you, like in a lot of aspects of car modding, doesn't mean that their car is more built or more capable than yours.
No, it just means that the company that they went through, that was their 5th evolution of whatever upgrade package that they're selling.
And we don't really like to go that far because there are a lot of different routes you can take with all our platforms. But we keep it stage 1, stage 2, stage 2, stage 3, and it's like we've said, a great starting point to kind of get your foot in the door into modding and then move on from there.
So, for instance, kind of even clutches, kind of like I mentioned too, clutches do stages as well. But a stage 5 FX 500 Clutch Masters is way different than a stage 5 Exity or a stage 5 South Bend. So remember, guys, it's all relative to that. When we put together our stage kits, they're like essentially package deals for you to get started on your modding, for you to build off of. So you can say, oh, I have a ZZP stage 2 kit for my 3800 and 1.9 rockers and an intercooler. So then we kind of know the mods, and most other people in the community will know, okay, you have these kind of mods going on. So in general, that's what the purpose of a stage kit is, not just to have the highest
brag
number.
about something.
Yeah.
And I'm kind of surprised we forgot to mention this until now. It saves you money.
Yep.
Yes.
It not only saves you money, it saves you time, and time is money. So it saves you money twice.
Yep. So instead of purchasing all the kits separately for a stage 2 kit or a stage 1 kit, you get it all at one time, and you know that we're going to set you up right. You don't have to worry about finding it on the website, pressing buttons. You just press add to cart. We get you what you need. You go faster.
We try to make our information readily available. I mean, we do blog posts, we do YouTube videos like you guys are watching, but it can be overwhelming. You get on our website and you go to Ecotec and there's 550 products. Okay, where do we go from here?
Yep.
So it's a great, easy way, but quite commonly misunderstood in the car community.
Absolutely. So the next time your buddy says, "Oh yeah, I got a stage 6 STI," you'd be like, "Okay, what does that mean?" Like, their stage 6 STI probably makes less horsepower than your tuned bolt-on stage 1 LNF or whatever other car you have. But yo, Al, what stage are you, bro?
47?
Stage 47? Sick! You got the nitrous tuner. Ugh.
Yeah.
All right, guys. A little bit of fun at the end. I think that's all we got today for Stage Kits. I'm Ryan D.
Tyler V.
I'm Al.
It's always Al. All right, guys. See you next time.